Lendawo kwakuyinkundla okudlalelwa kuyo ibhola likanobhutshuzwayo njengoba sekuhlala kuyo imindeni engaphezu kwama-60. Lezi zakhamuzi zithi sekuyiminyaka zihlala lapha futhi ayikho enye indawo ezingaya kuyo. Zithi kade zabhalisa ngaphansi kohlelo lokwakhelwa izindlu kodwa kuze kube manje azikakhelwa.
Where must I go to stay? Where? I haven't got a place to stay. And family is not always not right. Because why? We are staying there miskin for 2 months, and after 2 months they will put you out.
Lezi zakhamuzi zithi azikwazi ngisho ukwenzani kule ndawo njengoba uma zizama ukunweba lemjondolo kuvele kufike abantu bakahulumeni bayibhidlize.
They came in here when we tried to extend, and we can't extend because our materials will be taken away, especially when they break it down. And there's no way by building up again or buying again material because our places is small and we want to repair it, but we can't because they are so on us by putting on a door or maybe just putting on a side, and then they want to take it off or they just want to break it down.
Ngokusho kahulumeni waseKapa waya enkantolo ukuyofuna incwadi evimbela ukuthi abantu abahlala lendawo baqhubeke nokuthi bakhe ngoba wawunezinhlelo zokwenza lendawo kube eyokungcwaba. Lezi zakhamuzi zithi azinqabi ukusuka lapha inqobo nje uma zizokwakhelwa izindlu futhi zingasuswa eMitchells Plain.